Around the World with Sheila.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheila. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your family, friends, neighbors, and even to your dog. Thank you.
Adobo, a popular Filipino dish, often made with chicken or pork marinated in soy sauce, vinegar, and spices. It's known for its savory and slightly tangy flavor. Balut is a traditional Filipino street food consisting of a fertilized duck embryo that is boiled and eaten from the shell. It's considered a delicacy by many locals. Lechon is a festive Filipino dish featuring a whole roasted pig. The skin becomes crispy, and the meat tender, making it a centerpiece at special occasions. Kare-Kare is a Filipino stew known for its rich peanut sauce. It typically includes oxtail, tripe, and vegetables, and is served with bagoong, fermented shrimp paste. Halo-halo is a popular Filipino dessert that combines crushed ice with various sweet ingredients, such as colorful jellies, sweet beans, fruits, and leche flan, all topped with a scoop of ice cream. Sinigang is a sour soup made with tamarind or other souring agents. It can be prepared with various meats or seafood and is a staple in Filipino households. Laing is a dish from the Bicol region made with dried taro leaves cooked in coconut milk, shrimp paste, and chilies. It's known for its creamy and spicy flavor. Pansit is a term used for various Filipino noodle dishes. Pansit Canton and Pansit Malabon are some of the popular variations, each with its own unique ingredients and preparation. Longanisa is a Filipino sausage known for its sweet and savory flavors. Different regions in the Philippines have their own unique types of longanisa. Bibingka is a traditional rice cake made from glutinous rice and coconut milk. It's often served during Christmas season and topped with cheese, salted eggs, and coconut shavings. All these culinary facts are true and reflect the rich and diverse food culture of the Philippines.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, please click the share button, like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Bye!